We got a box in the mail, guys, and the cats. This is for my brother. It is an electric wheelchair. I'm gonna open it and put it together, but we're still in the middle of a snowstorm, so we won't be testing it for a few days. But I wanted to get it put together and show you what's going on. I do have a backrest in another box, and I also have, I think, an extra battery. We'll see. My poor FedEx guy delivered this today. So we have the catalog or the directions, a charging cable which was open, so I'm not sure. So we're gonna see how easy this comes out. 45 pounds, that's all it weighs. So what I think I wanna do, let me pull it out of this box. I don't think it's gonna be pretty. It's not gonna be heavy, it's just not pretty. Guys, I wanted to take you on a little tour of the chair and get you some different perspective. I'm gonna come down here. There is a footrest. It does pivot up and down. You do not want to stand on this. Up here, your joystick is on the right-handed side for your right-handed driver, but you can move it to the left if you have a left-handed driver. You do have these buttons here that you push in that will allow your armrest to come up and down. You have your power wand, which I'll show you. There is a seat belt, which is fantastic. You have extra padding in your seat. Here is the battery. I'm going to pull it out. Oops, sorry. The battery comes out like that. You get charged. Slides back up in here. You can get the one with 2 batteries, and it will go 30 miles instead of 15 on one charge. Obviously, that's going to depend on the weight of the person and how much driving you're doing. You have your cord here that hooks up. You have a snap here. It hooks into this. When I take it apart, I unscrew it and I pull this out and sits there. I dropped the screw, but I'll fix it. So when I'm making it portable, that comes out and it can go on either side. I'm leaving this on for now. It's the directions on how to collapse the chair. I'm gonna go back here. On the back, you actually have a couple pockets on the back side, which I think would be perfect to hold the charger. If you had an extra battery, any personal items. You also have your reflector here, but I think in here is a good size pocket. These are your locks. So if I have it pushed all the way forward as I do, that is in the mode for me to use it as an electric wheelchair. If I slide them back like that towards me to the unlock position, I now can push the person that's in the wheelchair. Obviously, if you're driving yourself around, that's not really a function because it's locked up back here. I do have tip bars that I need to install, but I'm taking this to my brother, so I haven't put them on yet because it'll be easier to get in and out of my car. These wheels are rubber and they're substantial. Let me get you a good look at that. I will say on the front wheels, sometimes you have to back up and turn to get the wheels to go straight, but I think that's just part of the process. When you want to collapse it, you have 2 buttons. You push that button and it will allow me to lay it down. When I sit it up, you push that button in and it locks in place. Here's your handle, which, like I said, you can push that button. And if you want to get in and out and you need to slide over, and that is on both sides, and your seatbelt is here. This is an ergonomic back with padding. So whatever's in here is not going to push on your back. I will say it's a portable wheelchair. This is definitely not a daily rider by any stretch of the imagination, but it definitely comes in handy if you're traveling or you need to transport somebody who is having some kind of medical distress. So next up, we're going to take it for a ride outside. Does it fit?
Yeah.
All right, go. It goes faster. There's a speed limit thing. All right, turn it towards me.
I'm 259 for the weight.
The weight limit is supposed to be 250, but you're not going to use this as a daily driver.
Right.
What do you think?
It feels good. I'm good at the back.
This one has the back support.
Yep. Good with the back.
There's only one battery, so it only goes 12 miles. But again, this is for short trips, grocery store, shopping malls, things of that nature. All right, stop.